What's going on, everybody? We are back in the house filming again. Let me turn you guys around so you guys can see the progress that we've made in the house here. So we have like I showed you guys on the previous video, we have started the subfloors and we are making some pretty good progress. So hallway's done, laundry room is done, we've got this section here. We're gonna have, I have some stuff to do there. That bedroom there, we'll have to still foam the walls and do the encapsulation to the floor. Going into the bathroom here is done, and yes, we put the porcelain throne in. We I'm in this room now. This is the spare bedroom, and I got 2 more pieces to put down over here and then do some sealing, seal up the cracks, try to eliminate all the moisture or stagnant air from the crawl space from getting inside. So we will go around and foam the edges, foam the cracks, even if it don't need it. So I guess I'll pull some measurements here and we will cut a piece and I'll show you guys that going in. Alright guys, last piece. I'm going to throw down some liquid nail. Alright. Hopefully it fits. I didn't try it. Alright, looks good from where I'm standing. I'm just going to mark out these floor joists that I have so I know where my screws at. last piece is in. I'm going to clean up, and we will spray the joints here so it's all airtight as it can get, and we'll move on to the next project, which I'm not sure if we're going to go in the room or start the dehumidifier and get it up and going, but I'll let you guys know. So lots changed in this room. We took the closet out. We took this where they used to have the washer and dryer. We took that out. We took the floor joist out. I put my fan in down there for the encapsulated crawl space for the soil gases. Now I'm going to go and do the perimeter, the outside walls, and this wall here with this foam. And I'll show you guys what that looks like when I get done there. So it's the next day. I finished up the foam around the outside of the perimeter of the office here. Let me show you guys what that looks like. So there's my foam down there, and it runs all the way across. Runs all the way across, all the way around. I foamed up all the cracks and all the spots that I think that air would come in or air would escape to come up. Now what I need to do is I'm going to do a final clean, just to rake all this harder stuff up, all the bigger rocks, and get that thrown in the trash, and then I'm going to lay down the plastic for the vapor barrier. And so I'll get that done and start it, and then I'll show you guys what all that looks like afterwards. We put all the plastic down all the way to the other side over there. It's 12 mil plastic. Now we can start throwing some plywood down, get it screwed in, and off to the next. Well guys, this is as far as I'm going for today. It's pretty late in the day and I'm tired, so this is what it looks like. So we're almost completely done. A couple more sheets and we're done. But glad it's going to be done. Now we can move on to doing the walls and stuff, and start seeing a change. I'm going to tear down the inside walls and the outside walls, the siding and the sheathing all at the same time. Fix any studs that's messed up, replace any that's rotten, and just keep on going. So next week we're going to we'll probably finish this up, install the drain for the dehumidifier, and get that going. So tune in for that. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and we'll see you next week.